All right, chat. We got. Will she cheat on him with a chef? I still don't know if it's UD or UDY. I still don't know. We just gonna call him UD. UD loyalty test. You feel me? YouTube. If y'all see this, you feel me? What's good? I ain't gonna say too much. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's do it. Is they going?
You, man. You ready for this stuff? You
Let's
ready
see.
for what could possibly happen? Man, I think so.
Today we're placing Dom's girlfriend Amaya to a loyalty test. According to him, he is sensing a clear shift in their relationship.
So you guys.
Hey man, you got this, dog. You got this, dog. For me, I'm just.
Girlfriend Amaya to a loyalty test. According to him, he is sensing a clear shift in their relationship.
So you guys have been together for a minute, you say? Right, a pretty long time.
And so now she's acting different.
Yeah, acting out, going out with friends later. A lot of sneakiness with the phone. It seems like changing passwords.
Oh,
going to
shit.
more places without me. So I'm just here. I want to figure out if she's ready.
Yo, I got a crazy. I was looking at his player build. I don't even want to say what I want to say.
Kaylon's brother Davion will be our decoy today. His job will be to get to know him.
Your nigga's brother. You got the nigga brother as nah. There's no way she's that stupid. There's no way she's not going. She's not going.
Impress her with some food, and then eventually ask her on a date.
Places we used to go together. Now it's kind of like she goes without me. So yeah. And once I noticed, she would just act kind of weird with the phone, stop answering me, turn off locations.
So when she's
Oh.
going with friends, she's sending now.
Oh, hold on. What?
Act kind of weird with the phone, stop answering me, turn off locations.
Turn off the lows at night. She's going.
So when she's going out with friends, she's just like hanging out with friends, or do you know she's hitting bars, clubs?
That's the thing. I'm not too sure. I know how it goes though. So now she.
So let me get this straight before we even get too much more. All right. So got a girlfriend. Things been getting weird. She been hold on. How do I? She been going out late at night with friends. Turn off the location every time, and you don't even know where she's going.
She's leaving you behind when she goes out to these places, but she used to bring you along.
Right, everywhere. Honestly, everywhere together.
You guys live together right now?
We don't, but I mean, I'm trying to get there. We're getting older. We've been together a long time. It's
Yeah.
like that'll be the next step for me.
What has kept you holding on this far to bring her to a test? Like, you could have easily just.
I'm tweaking to all three of these niggas just looking like, like these two niggas don't look alike, and then the third,
I mean, we connect really well.
he look like he not even the brother for real. he don't even look like he the brother for real. Like,
We've done everything together, and we are real close. So it's hard to just leave somebody off a few things. But it's like if I see what I might see today, then that'll be it. If I am wrong, okay, that's one thing. But if I'm not,
Right. Or assume, like, it's good that you making sure before you just
right,
say.
to be 100% before it's throwing something away.
Yeah. How far you want me to take it, bro? Like,
wait, is that what he said in the beginning of the video? Are those two originally the brothers? Because I heard him say somebody's brothers. I don't know if he said Point A and I don't know if he said him and the decoy is the brother or the decoy and the other dude is the brother. I don't know. Is this? I don't know. I see a bunch of niggas with big ass heads.
what if she make him a friend?
Like,
What if she kind of
can
like.
she have a male friend? I mean, she has me.
Feel that. Feel that. Feel that.
I don't want to be that guy. It's not
Yeah.
in me, but I'm like, I feel like we're here now. We're at this point.
If she gives him her number, is that a fail?
Oh yeah, right. What? Yeah, number, getting in that car, any of that. Yeah.
Damn.
If it was the other way around, I can't get my number out.
So if she gets in the car,
Oh yeah, I'm coming downstairs.
That's a red flag.
what if she just wanted to manifest and check the car out?
Man, that has nothing to do with cooking though.
That's true. That's really it.
Will Amaya agree to go out with Davion?
Talk to him.
She remain loyal to her boyfriend. To find out, we had to get her here, and to get her here, we had Daylon become one of her customers. You see, thanks to Dom, we knew that she did some baking on the side. Her operation wasn't that big, but she did have an IG page dedicated for it. After not getting a response from her quick enough, we decided to just call her up. We really wanted to get her here without Dom having to come.
Hey, is this Amaya from?
Yeah, this is.
Hi, this is Daylon. I'm actually calling to inquire about your desserts. I saw a few pictures of them on Instagram on the Explore page, and I just want to call and inquire about your services, maybe even you dropping it off and things like that.
It's great.
Okay. What are you looking for?
Honestly, I'm just looking for an assortment of finger desserts. Nothing too crazy. This will be a very personal, small party for my mom's birthday next Saturday.
Okay. Yeah, I have a menu up on my Instagram, but I can also just send that to you right now. Where are you located?
Maybe 20 minutes outside of LA. I would love if you could deliver it, so I'm already knowing, you possibly have a delivery fee and stuff like that.
Okay,
So
I do delivery if you like wanted me to deliver, or if you wanted to like pick it up. That's cool.
delivered will definitely help better.
Okay, yeah. So I will get that menu over to you, and then there is a deposit if we decide to move forward.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's cool.
We got back to Amaya on Wednesday. We ordered our pastries and confirmed their delivery. On Thursday, we got something else dropped off.
No way she dropped off the muffins here. No way she dropped off the muffins here. Oh, no, we're good. It's just cook unity.
I'm not going, UD. I'm not one of them. That's a 1-0, UD. I'm up. That's a 1-0. I'm not going for it, buddy. Nice try.
Hello?
Hey, Amaya, how you doing? You good?
Hey, I'm good.
Awesome. We're still on for you to come today around 4:30. That's cool?
Yeah, for sure.
I may be in a meeting or handling some business, so my brother may be the one to come grab you and let you in.
Okay, so they are the brothers. Okay, cool. Because I'm like, wait, who's the brothers at first? I'm like, is it the decoy and the one that's, orchestrating the test? Or is it these two niggas? But I understand it now. Because I'm like, yeah, these two niggas really look like brothers. Like,
So I'll be able to text you his number. Text that number once you're about 10 minutes away. He'll come and get you.
Okay, cool. Sounds good.
Amaya would be here within the next 2 hours. Now, to give you guys full context of their relationship, you guys should know that Dom travels to LA often to film content and make music. Of course, sometimes this means working with other girls.
How long have you been doing music?
5 years.
wait.
Of course, sometimes this means
Okay.
working with other girls.
How long have you been doing music?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
What type of music you make?
I would say like club music. Stuff for party, stuff for the summer.
That's cool.
Turn up.
I know you mentioned that you work with other girls when you're making videos or when you're making music and stuff. Did she ever trip on you for that?
Like in the beginning, she used to have some comments about too many models and stuff like that, but I always keep it professional.
You don't do anything.
Okay, all right. I was about to say, because he, feel me? But he said he kept it professional, feel me? He's saying shit, keeping shit professional. So it's smooth. All right? It's great.
When you're working with them and everything.
Strictly business.
Strict.
All the time. Once the
Strictly
video's
business.
over, there's no contact.
Yeah.
It's just right back home.
You were doing music before you met her, right?
Yeah.
So she knew going into the
Yeah,
relationship.
she knew.
Like,
Yeah, she knew what it was.
Yeah, she knew what it was.
Situation where one of the models, her husband was calling, so I know how it is. So I always let her know it's strictly business.
My husband was calling the model.
Yeah, during my shoot. So we're doing our music video, and the whole time the husband's calling, she comes back in and just said like he was kind of tripping on her being at the shoot so long.
Oh.
Maybe Amaya seeing Dom spend more time in LA, more time in the studio, is making her do things out of spite. Maybe because she thinks that
All right. See, if the nigga is making music, right, doing videos, if one, he was doing that before, you feel me? And that's his bread right there. Like, that's the way he's making money. And she's doing that out of spite. She's been wanting to do that, gang. I ain't gonna lie. She's been wanting to do that. If she's gonna use that on you, she's been wanting to do that, bro. Because if you was doing that beforehand, you already said it before y'all got together, like, yo, this is what I do, and then now she's doing it out of spite. She been wanting to do that. Trust me. She been wanting to do that. You feel me?
he's out having fun, she goes out and has her own fun. Not trying to defend her or blame him, I just think it's only fair to give context. Anyways, after waiting for some time, we finally got the text and call we were expecting.
Oh, I think this is it.
Hey, I just want to let you know I'm outside.
Okay, I got you. Here I come.
Alright, cool.
No problem.
All right, here we go. We gotta keep it down.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Likewise.
Okay. All right. First step. Entry, conversation, tone. Okay. Hey, how are you? I feel like, that's not mandatory, but I feel like, that's very respectable. I guess that's respectable, That don't cross no line so far.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
you follow me. Gotcha. You good in yourself?
Appreciate it.
All right.
You know, I appreciate you. It smells good. I can't wait to try one of these.
With a man out here, we just gotta keep her entertained for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I can't wait to try this. Oh yeah, mom.
Okay. Niggas better not be going outside in this video. That's all I'm about to say. Niggas better not be going outside over. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, mom's just gonna let this. Could you put it in that dish for me too, please? If you don't mind, yeah, please. Yeah, I don't even know. My brother bought this glass thing, but he's running a little behind. Give us maybe 10, 15 minutes. I think he should be here. I think he's in a meeting. He said he'd be here in like 10 to 15 minutes, so
Holding off on the rest of Amaya's payment was our way to keep her there. Hopefully, she wouldn't get too impatient.
have a seat. Need anything? Water? Snack? Can I get you anything?
Water's fine.
Oh, water? Got you, got you. I'm actually in the middle of cooking. Like, those treats you bought are for my mom's birthday. So I got a little dinner going for her. Me and bro put together something for no problem for her birthday. So I'm about to kind of finish this. So,
Alright, first thing. Did she text old boy that she was there? Like, did she say, did she do any sort of communication? Because I didn't see her pull her phone out once. She might have said it like once she got there when she was in the car. I don't know, but since she's been there, I ain't, feel me? Alright.
I was nervous. It's a rocky start, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's a rocky start.
He gonna reel it in. He gonna reel it in. Trust.
What are you making?
So we got some ribeyes. We got a nice spring salad with avocado, some mash, and some rice. Nothing too crazy, but this is the things my mom like to eat. So, you know, I made her her favorites. Also, the tart, that's putting the icing on the cake. I appreciate you. It looks really good. What you trying to do with it? Where you going? Like, you trying to be in a restaurant? You want to own a business? Like, what direction you going in?
It's kind of just like a side gig.
It's a side gig.
Make some extra money.
Oh, okay. So it's not nothing you taking real serious.
Alright, chat, how you feel so far? She going? Right now, I think she's doing alright. I think she's doing alright, you feel me? Like, conversation's been long, cool. Conversation's probably been a little long, but I feel like she's going alright. I feel like, feel me, she's not going so far. So far. You feel me?
Not really.
Okay, I was about to try to hire you. I was about to try to put you in one of my restaurants or something, but
How long have you been cooking?
professionally cooking for 15 years now.
You can tell both David and Amaya were nervous. He needed to get her to warm up and open up to him, though. As intended, them both being in the culinary fields definitely helped build that bridge.
I might let you try if you got enough time. Hopefully he brings your money in time. However, I could use your opinion on some of this food. What you like to eat?
I can eat pretty much anything.
You eat anything?
Yeah,
Okay, what about cook? Can you cook?
sure.
Making sure, you know, some people only know how to do one or the other.
I can do both.
Okay.
What about you?
I can make pastries.
Okay, alright, see? See? Here's the thing, right? Here's the only thing, right? Like I said, the conversation's probably a little too long at this point. Like, I feel like they keeping, like, well, not they, because that's what he's supposed to do. But I feel like, you know, she could, you know, Heisman that nigga real quick. Like, Heisman that nigga real quick. But, you know, the conversation seems innocent so far. It seems innocent. So that's why I'm giving her, you know, the benefit of the doubt. Because the conversations are still, you know, all right. But
Remember, I try to stay away from all the sweets. I'm an avid gym goer. You work out?
Sometimes. Not as much as I probably should.
Okay, you might have to change that. I can help you with that if you want some.
Okay, you a chef and a personal trainer.
I'm telling you, I do it all. I got you. Just let me know.
Damn.
see, she got.
Already.
He's giving her hints that he's into her. Damn.
Just work with me while I get
Come
all
on,
this food
fight
out.
back. She better fight back.
So what type of restaurant you like to go to? Like, if I wanted to take you out, where would you want to go?
She better not. Why she think? See, this is where she's starting to fuck up at. This is where she's starting to fuck up at. This is exactly where she's starting to fuck up at. As soon as he said, "I can take you out somewhere," that's where the Heisman should have came in. That's where she should have husband him. Alright, she should have. Alright, it should have been deaded right there. The fact that she, well, it's a lie. Nope, husband him. See, here we go. Here we go. Come on, fight back.
Okay, bougie. Okay.
Nope. See, here she goes. She giving suggestions and shit. See. This is why conversations can never get too far. This is why I say you gotta dead it early, because then it start getting friendly and people start getting comfortable, and then that's why you early. But what do I know?
Keep cooking, literally.
The fact that she answered that question this early is crazy.
That was the perfect time to mention she got a boyfriend. But again,
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Maybe she just being friendly.
If you had to choose like a cuisine, like
She
that
overly
you could
going.
say is your favorite, what would it be? What's your favorite cuisine?
She overly going.
Asian food. Can you make it?
Now she's over whooping. I ain't gonna lie. Now she's over whooping. Like, she don't even gotta do all, like, she's talking about seafood. I like this. I like that. This is the perfect time to say, I gotta feel me. I don't think he going. No, she ain't mentioned Buddy one time. I don't even think she texted him that she there. I don't even think she texted him that she there. Like,
Seafood, like what you like? Lobster, calamari, okay. Okay, I'm taking notes. So I could, when I invite you back, I can know what to make you.
You gonna invite me back?
Yeah, I think I should. How you feel about that?
I don't know. You need some more pastries.
this is why you can't have faith in them, bro. You can't have no faith in them, bro. You can't. They going. You can't. I'm telling you. I ain't gonna lie. Watching UD's test, like, I ain't gonna lie. They be pissing me off, bro. It's like, if the right one ass, bro.
How you feel about that?
I don't know. You need some more pastries.
I definitely need more of those. You gonna have to
She got those high top. No, what? I'm not going to sit here and judge.
drop a whole nother box off.
Okay, she kept it business.
Okay.
She get some more pastries.
Okay.
She kept it business.
Nah.
She kept it business.
That's crazy that he's starting this early though.
No, he's
How you feel about that? She's engaging in the conversation.
That's what I'm saying. It ain't looking good, bro. She.
Too many topics have nothing to do with this food.
Do you have kids?
What the fuck?
Did myself.
Not I'm a kid myself. Yeah, I don't. Not yet. You planning on having any?
Maybe in the future, if I find the right person.
If I find the right person, if the right person asks, they going. It's- I tried to have faith. Y'all see, I tried to have faith before it started. I said she wasn't going in the beginning. Before this started, I said she wasn't going to go. She wasn't going. I tried to have faith. This is why you can't have faith. Because, bro, what? What do you mean?
You planning on having any?
Maybe in the future, if I find the right person.
Ooh wee. If you find the right person. Did I mention she hasn't mentioned her boyfriend once? Like, this is what I'm saying.
Legit what single people say. Aren't you in a relationship? Don't you see a future with this man?
You like to travel a lot or what?
Yeah. I do like travel maybe once or twice a year, especially around her birthday.
trying to be on her side. Benefit of the doubt. Maybe she doesn't want to share that she's in a relationship. That might be too personal for her.
Nigga, this is your brother. Of course you gonna say that. Of course you gonna say that. That's your brother. Talk about some. Maybe it's too personal for her. Trust me, if she wanted him to know she was in a relationship, she would have let him know. She ain't say nothing for a reason. Hey, hey, you feel me?
Business exchange. And she could just really be trying to be nice. She's in the house with a stranger.
Come on, bro. It's already flirting going on.
I am really trying to root for her too, but what she is saying is highly questionable.
Besides traveling, what you like to do? What you into?
I like to try new things.
Oh, you like to try new things. Okay.
One day I might, be going to a tennis lesson. Another day I might be learning to make TVs. So, I just like to keep it fun.
Oh, you're adventurous. Okay.
Not a big fun girl, so.
Oh, you're not. Why not?
I don't drink too much, so that's
Oh.
probably fun.
Okay. You're a lightweight.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Bad experience or just you just like I'm good. I don't need to even mess around with the liquor. Do you drink at all?
I do, I do. I just like, I don't know if it's the alcohol in America, but I'm not very good.
Not in America.
Yeah.
So where?
See, I be taking like 8 shots. I'm out till 4 a.m. So I wake up the next morning and I'm cool. Here, 2 drinks in and I'm cool.
That's. I'm surprised. I would think
Fair
it would be
point.
the opposite. Actually.
Fair
She's
point.
getting impatient. She doesn't sound impatient yet. I would have already asked for the payment.
I think she's just being kind. She's just offering a good energy, good.
I ain't gonna lie. He about to blow mine. I ain't gonna lie. Like, talking about some. I think she's just being nice. Like, you trying to help your brother out because you know she going already. Like, you know she going. Like, it ain't hard to see she's going. Like,
Oh, man.
Eventually, Davion moves on to the next step of our plan. Yeah, we were barely in the beginning. That's how much has happened.
I'm really sorry about this. My brother taking a lot longer than I thought he would. Can I give you a plate of food since you waiting, just to kind of make up for it a little bit? And I can use your opinion. All right, I got you.
she could have said no.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Food makes everybody happy. So our mentality was, in order for her to not get impatient, Davion would give her some food. With the way things were progressing, though, I'm not sure if this was necessary anymore.
You'll like it. Don't even worry. You'll enjoy this. Trust me, you're in good hands. Like all state. This,
Look, fake laughing at his jokes. She's going. Like Allstate. That was like, come on, bro. Fake laughing at the jokes now, fellas. Yeah,
this is for my mom's birthday.
right
Yeah,
person
you know, you
ass.
gotta
They
treat
going.
moms every chance you can. You only get one mother.
I'm not saying she's gonna fail. I'm just saying if this were a real scenario,
She gonna
Davion
fail.
probably could have and would have made his move already.
She
Either
gonna
way,
fail.
Davion stuck to our plan and served her a plate.
Try this. Let me know what you think.
Invitation is nice so far.
Appreciate you. Let me know what you think about that.
Trust me, we here.
Please do. You are in good hands, like I said. Let me know what you think. You feeling that?
This is actually fire.
Feeling that? You gotta come back. See? See, I told you. All state. You in great hands.
Laughing twice at the same Allstate joke. She's going. Overly. Overly going. Like,
told you.
I see the vision. I see the vision.
So whenever you're ready, we can start trading cupcakes or, plates. Whenever you're ready to, come back.
So you gonna start cooking for me?
I got you. Coming back, right? That's the question. That's the $1,000,000 question.
You want me to?
I'm trying to be on.
yeah, explain that, brother. Explain that one, brother. You gonna come back, right? If you want me to. She's going. Overly. Overly. Like, that's what I'm saying, fellas.
Her side, I really am. She's making it a little hard.
I can't
A
wait
little?
to try this.
How do you feel so far? I've seen enough.
Already?
Are we hearing the same thing? Are you guys hearing what I'm hearing?
Well, elaborate. What do you feel like so far she's done wrong or cheated on you so far?
Man, he shouldn't be inviting her over. That has nothing to do with the food, man. Nothing at all. All this giggling. What do you think? You
That's what I'm saying. This all the giggling. You feel me? This the giggling. She didn't even acknowledge her boyfriend once. She didn't even hit her boyfriend up once. The whole time she was there, she hasn't hit him up once. You feel me? He asked about kids. She said, if I'm with the right person. While she has a boyfriend, by the way. I'm just making this abundantly clear. While she has a boyfriend, by the way. She been complimenting this nigga food and shit. She's like, she's overly going. Overly.
We send her the money now.
Yeah.
I think let's do it. When she gets paid, she should be out of there.
Amaya could be being this friendly because she's waiting to get paid still. So let's send her her money and see if she leaves.
Warning, possible scam.
I appreciate you feeding me and everything.
Of course. Okay. Okay. I told him to throw you a little extra. He said he sent it though.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. No problem. No problem.
Alright, get up out of there.
No rush or nothing. If you want to finish your food, feel free to finish your food. If I can get you anything else, let me know. I'm at your service.
See, she could have took that to go. She got the bread already. Nasty word. That's why I'm saying she overly going. Overly. You feel me? She could have got the bread and got low. But no, now she gotta stay and finish the. Nah, see, she overly going.
Yeah, instead of leaving her excusing herself, Amaya decides to stay.
She got comfortable, bro. She got comfortable.
She about to finish that meal.
He sent her extra, so maybe she's being nice and staying because of the extra tip. Nah, he wasn't.
Yo, y'all niggas, y'all trying to give her every excuse in the book. She's going, gang. It's over. Put the fries in the bag, buddy. Extra fucking crispy. She's going. It's over. I'm sorry. Somebody gotta tell him. Somebody do. She's going.
I'm gonna walk you out.
Nasty word.
Davion now takes things to the next step of our plan.
He's gotta take her in the car.
No way. No way she going to.
He can't lose her.
Alright. See. I'm not. Alright. See. I'm still not gonna judge. Feel me? I ain't want to say nothing in the beginning because I ain't think she was gonna go, especially this easy. Brother, we not going outside. We not going outside over certain shit. I ain't gonna lie. we gotta draw the line on going outside on things and people. Certain stuff we just can't go outside on, bro. I'm sorry. We can't. This right here is one of those instances. You feel me? We can't go outside. We gotta do better as niggas.
Actually, can I get your opinion on one more thing? Let me show you this downstairs. They're coming down here. Let me show you this real quick. Let me know what you think.
Amaya yet again decides to stay and follows Davion into the garage. Honestly, it's growing tiresome defending her.
Follows him into the garage. Anything else y'all need to see? Anything else? Or she's just overly going? Okay.
If this woman fails, it's all on her.
Alright, here we go. Shit then got serious.
You know, wants to set up a load
UD. Not doing it yet. Oh wait, hold up.
to test with us. Hit us up. Fill out our
Oh.
submission form below.
I thought he was gonna try to hit me with another advertising mid. Oh, my fault, UD. my fault, gang. My fault, gang. Reflexes. It's reflexes, brother.
Let me know what you think. Here we go.
Brother, we not going outside like
Yeah, I
that.
just bought this for my mom.
We can't go outside.
Yeah, I just grabbed this for mom. What you think? Think she gonna like this?
It's about the same height as him, ain't it? They about the same height, ain't it? Brother, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, somebody tell Big Head with the little body over there, like the one that did this whole test, somebody tell Big Head with the little body, we can't go outside like this, bro. Like, to be really real, we can't go outside like this, bro. We gotta do better.
She been saying she wanted Tesla for the longest. That's a crazy flex, bro.
Yeah, him right there. Him right there. That's Big Head, little body right there. We gotta tell him he can't go outside like this no
What do
more.
you think? I need your help. So where do you think I should put this, bro? Or like top of the car type. No, I like that. They look good. I like that. Like it. Let me show you the inside. Yeah, let me check
Now she going inside. She going inside now, y'all. She going inside the car now, bro. Like y'all see what I'm talking about with these females, bro? Like, fellas,
Real quick, how you feel about Tesla?
I mean, they're alright.
Man, she gets in that car.
I don't think it's a bad thing if she gets in the car because she's just checking it out. However, I get what Dom is saying. We might start driving down a very, very bad road.
There we go. You
might.
been in Tesla before?
No, you.
So look, what you do is you push the little handle in with your thumb, and then it should pop out. There you go. You pull it. There you go. See, that's that futuristic right there.
So she like doing all these things. She like traveling. She go from country to country. She do all these things, and never even had a Tesla as a Uber. Like, all right, I guess.
Like this.
Oh man, it's not even his car. It's the one we got for our mom.
I think Mom's gonna enjoy this. Like,
She's
you
old.
still got the luxury. It's not so much so simple, you know. They come with the new ambient
She's
lighting,
going
the
in my
display,
Duke's
you know,
car.
like I would literally, I would take you on a spin. Honestly, I would, but I want her to be like the first person to drive this car. This is a, like I said, they delivered this car. This car has not even been driven, so I want her to be the first person to actually take it for a spin.
Yeah, that makes sense. Especially it's like, organic chicken.
Right. But I gotta, we can go for a spin and another ride, cause I definitely wanna see you again. Like, I enjoyed your company while you was here in this short amount of time, this little 20 minutes. You like, I like your vibe. You got some good energy.
She time out. 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 They've only been doing this for 20 minutes. She done had a full course meal, had 20 different conversations about 50 different topics. Done went downstairs, done she seen the gift, wrapped the gift up for him, got in the car now. She all this in 20 minutes. She met him 20 minutes ago and is going in his car.
You know, you're attractive. I like what I see. You know, so I think you should let me pick you up.
Like on a date?
Yeah, on a date. Or you can come here. I cook for you, whatever you like to eat. You know, wine and dine you, some ice wine, a movie, whatever you know, whatever you into, whatever you like. You know, how you feel about that?
She nodded her head.
I mean, it sounds nice, I guess.
You do.
Ooh wee. Cause bro, what, bro? Like, are we serious right now, bro? Yo,
The,
look at his face. Look at that brother's face. Oh, I'm not even trying to laugh at his. I'm not laughing at him. All right, I'm gonna make this abundantly clear. I'm not laughing at him. It's just I wasn't expecting him to look this sad. Brother. Use a rapper, gang. Use that status, gang. She want to do you like this. Use that rapper status, gang, and show her why you a rapper. Show her why you make music. Show her why you an artist, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Show her why. Show her that rapper flow. Show her that rapper motion is different. Cause the way she's overly going over Tesla is crazy.
What makes you want to go out with me?
you're beautiful, you know, and we in the same industry. Like we already got that in common. I feel like we can for sure make some masterpieces in the kitchen. So, you know, I just want to experience you in a different setting where it's like just me and you, a little bit more intimate. I can really pick your brain, and I can really spend a little bit more time with you opposed to 20 minutes waiting for you to get some money. You know, the motive would be a little
That wasn't even funny. Like that wasn't even funny.
different. You actually come in to spend some time. So, yeah, I want to see you again. What's holding you back?
I don't know. I mean, like, I just came here for a job type. Like, I need over here to sit me out.
I feel that. But you're not saying no.
You right?
So, you you up.
That'd be cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
what you think?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's like, it gets to a point, bro. It just gets to a point, bro. Like, it's, it's an evil world we live in, man. It is an evil world we living in, bro. Shit is nasty out here. Stay up out here, Kings.
Yeah, where you wanna, where you wanna go? I'll take you wherever you wanna go.
Anywhere with seafood, you know, I'm seafood.
I got you. Okay, I got you. So, it's a date then.
I guess so.
Okay.
Really?
She knows it's a date. She knows. She knows. She knows. She knows, bro.
Wasn't tripping.
Yo, why he got the headphones on his head like that? Like, this is so off topic, bro. But I gotta make light out of certain situations like this, bro. Like, it's only right, bro. I gotta make light out of certain situations like this, bro. Cause it's like, damn. But like, I ain't gonna lie. Big head with the low body, bro. You gotta do something, bro. Like,
You got some time for me this weekend?
I could make some time.
That's what I like to hear.
she could make
Okay,
some
I got
time.
your number. So, I do want to see you again. I'm for sure. Wait, this your actual, like, personal number, right? This not the word. I'm not gonna get the you reached Amaya. You know, I'm not gonna get that, right? That's how I reach you, right?
That's my personal number, yeah.
That's crazy. Cheating on the job. I thought she was gonna stay loyal.
Yeah, this thing was over. I mean, unless Dom wanted to take it to a date too. Which, to be honest, I don't even think it's necessary. Like, she understood everything that Davion was asking her. She knew what she was doing.
No, but I really want you to bring some more of them goddamn cupcakes back with you. Like, for real. Like, that's really why I'm really trying to get you back. I'm into you and the cupcakes, but I need.
Trying to get more for
Yeah, I need both. Yeah, it's gonna be mine.
What else is left to see? I knew it.
I knew it too, big head with the little body. I knew it too, bro. You feel me? Like, I was trying to have faith from the beginning, cause for me, I don't never like to, instantly say somebody's a cheater or just throw it out there on them and then they prove me wrong. So I just like to go in with the mind like, I bet everybody's good, everybody clean, to prove it wrong. You feel me? That all said, she's going. All that being said, she's going, overly going, nastily going, like nasty word. It's actually getting terrible. Like, it's getting sad to watch, honestly.
So this is what you think she's doing on the typical whenever she doesn't bring you to.
Oh yeah. Now I'm
Oh, no. She's doing way more. She's getting cracked like an egg, buddy. I ain't gonna lie. I hate to break it to you, gang. She's getting cracked like an egg, buddy. She's turning off the low and going out with friends at night. She's getting cracked like an egg, pal. She's getting cracked from wall to wall, gang. I hate to be the one to tell you. Somebody got to tell you though, brother. Yeah. This is just because it's business and she just met him. Trust me. And trust me. If this was anything that she knew, brother.
Like, how many clients got this treatment already?
Yeah, that's true. This is what you think she thinks you.
Yeah, how many clients did get this treatment now that I'm thinking about it? Like, now that I'm thinking about it, how many or more? It's an evil world we live in.
With the models you work with and everything.
Man, I can't even think right now.
Just that could be.
Shit, you should. No, I got you.
I'm sure you go out with these models and you be nice and friendly with them. I just want to pick your brain a little bit. I'm sure you go out with these models and you be nice and friendly with them. I just want to.
He about to blow my. I ain't gonna lie. If I was, he's catching a good one. He's catching a nice little. I ain't gonna lie, cause like, you see, she's going already, and that's your brother, bro. So it's like, you saying all this and that being your brother, and I can't reach him right now. You lucky you don't catch one. You could catch the meanest right hook right now. Like, I'm telling you, say something else crazy. Say something else. Say something.
Get to know you a little better. Spend some time with you. You didn't fell out the sky, so I don't know. Trying to see if you're an angel or not.
God, bro, he says he can't keep getting away with this. Ref, call the foul. Ref, call the foul. He can't keep getting away with this, bro. This is crazy. Like she's overly going at the. Not even fun. Like these jokes is not even like. Are we like yo? You're like, are we serious right now? All right.
That's crazy, man.
I mean, she got paid like 20 minutes ago, right? I would have been out of here. She didn't bring me up one time.
She's acting very single.
She thinks you're in LA doing your thing with music. That's why she's comfortable.
Yeah, this is it. I'm not trying to watch this anymore. Yeah, it's done. I want to go talk to her.
Okay. You did?
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't want to do a day two in that line, that's just to confirm.
No, man, we've been together this long.
Hey, I ain't even like I said. I'm trying to make light out of this situation, bro. But like, chat. All right, I'm done. 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 We gotta be serious. Let's get serious. Get serious, Deuce. Like, damn, this is your problem, bro. You don't take shit serious now, bro. You're serious, nigga.
She was here to make money.
All right, I'm back. My fault. I'm locked in again.
Do her business and get out of here. All the flirting, all of that, even sitting in the car, that's nothing to do with baking, cooking, none of that.
At all. Facts. Top
Just like
team.
that.
Yeah, I was gonna say shit. We can go out tonight, really. If you want to.
It's a little last minute.
You gotta wait till the next. I mean, what you need? You need something to wear? You want me to take and get something to wear or what?
What you think about calling her? How do you think she would react if you were to call her right now at this moment?
Oh, you wanna do it?
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.
She'll come clean and tell the truth.
Right there before you.
Damn, this was crazy. Instead of just walking out there, Dom was gonna give her a call. What do you guys think she's gonna say?
You wanna go out tonight?
You really gonna take me shopping?
Ah.
Get you something to wear. We can go out. You know.
You're not serious.
Is your arm shaking? Oh, damn, it's shaking.
Nigga
You
shaking.
ready to confront her? You about to. You ready to confront her?
Oh,
She not answering.
you could see the
Come on, try again. Try again.
you could see the pain in her. Yeah, you gotta call it twice. D and D.
Try again.
Phone might be on D and D.
She's looking. It looks like she's looking at her phone.
She is looking at her phone. She is looking at her phone.
It's in her hand.
She is.
No.
She is. She ain't answering.
She didn't answer? No.
Go out there.
I see.
Oh. Yo. I ain't gonna lie. Me, personally, if this is me in this situation, pull up, do. Right.
Be in the middle of calling her. You're like, what? Yeah.
And so with that, Dom prepares to make his way into the garage to have a conversation with his girlfriend. Well, I guess now, potentially ex.
Let's go, big head with the little
I hope
body.
You guys are ready and got your talking for this one. Because you guys already know. This shit's gonna be good.
Look at all you give me.
That's my favorite color. It looks good.
Answer your.
Yeah. He Yeah. And he knew how to open that right away. My son been in that. He got big money. My boy got he been in a Tesla before. He got big money. He know how to open him. Look at that. He did that smooth.
Look, what are you doing here?
What do you mean?
What are you doing in the car?
I came to drop off
Right.
cupcakes.
Right. That's what you want?
What am I?
It's gonna be like
What
that?
are you talking about?
What are you doing here? Nothing, huh?
Literally just told you what I'm doing.
Nah. Who is this?
The client's mother.
This is business?
I mean, he just wanted to show me his mom's present real quick.
Right, and you got in this car.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Ooh, hey. Alright.
Are you for real?
Yes?
That's really how you gonna do me like that?
Bro, how did you even get in here?
That don't matter.
You
How is
focus
this
on the
business?
wrong shit. They always try to.
Let me know.
They always try to flip it on you. How you even get in here? What does that have to? How'd you even get in the car? How'd you even get in the garage? Fuck.
No. Where's the cakes? Where's the cupcakes?
Upstairs.
Right.
Oh, you was doing business, but the cupcakes is upstairs, and you in the car still. Okay.
Really?
I don't understand why you're so upset.
What are you doing in the car right now?
Just talk.
With another dude?
We're just talking.
Talking about what though?
Everything, anything.
You let him know you had a man?
I didn't think that was important. I came here for a job.
It's a yes or no question.
I didn't think that was important. I was coming for a job. I ain't gonna lie. Throw her in the trash, bro. Throw her in the fucking dumpster. Throw her in the fucking garbage disposal, bro. Like, she gotta go to be really real. And I ain't gonna lie. Like, the type of player build she is, bro. Like, she ain't even got no room to be moving like that. To be really real. She, like, the type of player build she is, she don't even got no room to be moving like that. To be talking like that, none of that. She has, feel me, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
I figured that wasn't important.
Tell me why you're so upset.
And she trying to be so nonchalant. I ain't gonna lie, that calm, nonchalant attitude. I don't care if I'm posing too much. I don't care. Go watch the original video, fight your. I don't care. But that nonchalant act she got going on too. I don't know why you're so mad. What's wrong? All right, that right there. Oh wait. I ain't gonna lie.
You serious right now?
Are you serious right now?
Does it look like I'm serious?
You're tripping.
I'm tripping. I'm tripping, right?
What are you mad about?
Sitting in a car with another dude with a boyfriend. That's cool? That's business?
You're tripping.
I'm tripping though.
It's always the excuse, man.
Always the excuse. I swear.
What if that was me? You already know how you would act.
I didn't do anything though, so like, I don't understand why you're so upset.
But neither did I. See, you see how you guilty already? I never said you did anything. But neither did I. You feel me? I'm saying, like, if that was me just in the car, I ain't say I did anything. You feel me? But that's just me in the car. You gonna be tripping. I swear, 100 females versus accountability. Accountability is gonna win every time. Every single time. Just like the gorilla. It's just like the 100 niggas and one gorilla. It's just like that. The gorilla's gonna win every single time, unless we talking UFC fighters or something like that. Possibly, but it's the same concept. 100 females versus accountability.
You think this is funny?
Am I laughing?
Is this cool? Sitting with another dude in the car like that.
Why? How did
You
you
can't
get
even
in
say
here?
nothing.
How did you get in
You know you in the wrong. If it's my music, you wouldn't be tripping. All the models you press me about.
Talk to him.
It's different now though, huh?
Talk to him.
I don't understand why you're sitting here like chastising me. I didn't do anything.
I've seen everything already.
You're not even tripping over a stranger being in your house. Like, do y'all know each other?
We already seen everything. I seen everything. I heard.
She's trying to just manipulate it and switch it back onto him. Like, you're not worried about a stranger in your house? Yo. I don't care about. Like, stop, yo. Oh my god.
None of this was business.
What do you mean?
I heard it all. Hey, come on. You gonna see right now.
Yeah. Rally the troops.
Just tell him.
gonna see right now.
Tell him what? This nigga weird. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
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 That's how it is.
Yeah.
You on your clients, all of them, huh? Or just him?
You were wild.
Just him?
What the f is with all these cameras?
Just him and
Yeah.
We were just talking, like I said.
Right. Now you start talking.
Why are you
Look around.
filming me? This is weird.
Okay. But when it's my music, you know how you act, right?
You think this is normal? You out here like what?
You think being in a
Setting me
car
up?
with a nigga is normal?
That boy got a melon on him, innit? That nigga got a melon on him, innit?
I'm just sitting in the car.
Right.
Amaya, you know what this is, right? So this entire thing has basically just been a loyalty test. Like the truth is, your boyfriend wanted to find out if you were really loyal to him or not. He had his suspicions about you. So
Overly
so
going.
Day long to order pastries from you, so that we could get you here, so that Davion could ask you on a date. So none of this was real. And I know you're saying you didn't do anything, but where would this have gone though?
You're about to set me up too. You're a
We see where it was going.
explain anything to you.
You agreed to a date though, in a relationship.
This is what I'm saying. We can't. Us as we gotta have. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta have a little bit more. I'm saying we, but I'm saying it's just cause strictly I'm a man, not cause I can relate. I'm saying strictly cause I am a man. That's why I'm saying we. All right, y'all. All right, I'm gonna just say y'all. Y'all gotta do better, man. We gotta do better. Like, look at the player builds, bro. Like, again, I don't judge nobody. I don't feel me. I don't do that. Feel me? I don't. That's not me. Feel me? But
We see where it was going.
is there certain things? Okay, hold on. Is there certain things
We see where it was going.
like the wig? First off, the wig. Feel me? That's red flag number one. Kinda. Feel me?
You agreed to a date though, in a relationship.
This red flag number. Well, not red flag, but.
It's gonna be what you huh? You thought that. Then we got. You agreed to a date though, in a relationship. You thought it was gonna be what you huh? You thought that.
We gotta do better.
Weak ass cupcakes.
Hold on, mute the shit. Hold on, my fault.
You thought that. Them weak ass cupcakes. Weak ass cupcakes.
Right now, you got all those that you talking to.
Right. Yeah, alright.
Now I got mad females in the video. Now it's all I'm telling. Like, she was holding that in just so when she gets caught like this, she could use that as her excuse. I'm telling you, this was already calculated. She already had this excuse in her mind. Like, I bet if push comes to shove and I eventually get caught up somehow, some way, that's gonna be my first line of defense right there. Oh, you got mad females in your video. That's it every time. Every time. Again, I'm saying this because I'm just, feel me?
Everything is professional with me, but this, nah, alright.
Liar, how do I know that you're not out?
Here's I never like, nah, we're not gonna turn it on me. You could get
We not doing that.
You thought you wanted them weak ass cupcakes? Get up out of here. We done. We been done. Alright. Alright. Yeah. She thought that was something, huh?
Stiff ass way and throwing water on me. Pretty ironic, isn't it?
Damn, bro, you gotta find out like this, man.
Weird ass.
I knew she was gonna rebuttal with that though.
I
She
knew
was gonna
it.
Say the whole music video thing.
Nah,
That's how they
I
is.
never had no situation.
That's how they is.
Nope.
Damn, bro, I'm sorry, man.
Hold up. It's gonna come out one day.
That's how it is. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all. Y'all, we as niggas. Well, I'm gonna stop saying we. Feel me? Before, feel me? Shit get misconstrued. You feel me? Y'all gotta do better, bro. Like, y'all gotta choose wisely, bro. Choose better. You feel me? And you know, I ain't gonna lie. You just gotta watch certain things, bro. You gotta watch certain tendencies. Watch how they move. Like, you just gotta watch certain things, bro. And if you do any form, if you're in any form of like the industry, not in the industry, but like if you do any form of entertainment or music or anything like that, and you're like collabing with females, you're with females and shit like that. if y'all don't have that real rock solid foundation beforehand, I promise you it's gonna get used against you. Anything you say or use will be used against you later on in the relationship. I promise you. Like it's inevitable. It's unless, like I said, unless y'all really have it locked down and y'all already know and like feel me, y'all came into it already having the mindset and stuff like that, and this is how y'all making y'all bread. Feel me? Unless it's that, just be prepared at any moment. At any moment when shit hit the fan, that is gonna be the rebuttal every single time. They gonna switch it on you and like, oh, remember when you did that? Feel me? Just saying. Knowledge of the porter. Knowledge of the porter. You feel me? But you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, y'all.